broke, and the ones that didn't we cut. So right now we're trying to move them out of our way. Hey guys, remember this? So you know me guys, let's get busy. So we're over here on the other side of the creek now where this street was dropped and all these pieces broke, and the ones that didn't we cut. So right now we're trying to move them out of our way because we want to be able to get the excavator over to where this log is now. And what we're going to do is we're going to hook up a chain and we're going to pull these other pieces out. So I got one of my sons over is helping me. He loves driving the excavator as much as I do, and so he's over here having a good time with me. You probably could just back up now. Don't move. That's probably good. Well, man, when you got some help in the equipment, that wasn't too bad. And wow. Still got a long ways to go cleaning all this up, but that was huge to get that out of here.